Hello everyone, today we are going to prepare Amla Rasam recipe in 20 cm low pot. Let's get started. Firstly, preheat the pot up to roasting window. Preheating is completed. Remove the audio thumb. Now add jeera and mustard. Add some crushed garlic and red chilies. Now add green chili seeds. Add some tomatoes and also add amlas and mix once. Now add dal into the pot. Add some turmeric and crushed pepper powder. Now add 3 cups of water into the pot. Now close the pot with a quick soft line. Set the audio thumb at turbo window for 2 minutes. Heat up on highest heat until turbo window. Cooking is completed. Switch off the audio thumb and flame. Allow the pot to depressurize by itself. Now the pot is depressurized. Open the lid. Now switch on the flame. Add some salt. Add some rasam powder. Add coriander and curry leaves. Now mix and boil for 2 minutes. Cooking is completed. Now switch off the flame.
Amla Rasam recipe is ready.